I recently purchased a 2017 BMW 340i with a long-term goal of taking it to the drag strip to have some fun. One thing that really caught my attention about my newly purchased car is how well it's maintained. It has 80,000 miles, and there's not a single leak in sight, and the car runs flawlessly. This is a BMW we're talking about. Maybe the previous owner really took care of it, right? It would be nice to just move on to installing mods. In today's video, we're going to thoroughly inspect the car and see if we can find anything that needs to be addressed. Spoiler, I found a hidden issue.
So we're pretty much doing the same thing we do with any car that I purchase, unless it's a brand new car. Going over the car to see if there's anything that is wrong with it, if it needs any kind of maintenance, what needs to be addressed, because in the vehicle rivals world, we always do maintenance first, then performance and mods. And unless you're Ali, then it's maintenance last. But yeah, we got the car in the lift. I kind of already looked at the engine bay while I was at the dealer. Everything looked all right. I'm more interested to see what the bottom side of the car looks like. From there, I guess we'll outline what's up next for the 340X drive. I kind of already have a game plan. I think we're gonna build the car in stages. So that way I can kind of tackle all demographics of people that own these cars, B58 park cars in general. Obviously we'll have it in stock form. We'll have the full bolt-ons with the tune, which will be 400 to 500 horsepower. Then we'll do a bigger turbo upgrade with fuel upgrades, 700 horsepower. And then what I'm mostly excited about is get this car up to like 1,000 horsepower. I'm gonna stick to it too. Anyways, let's go ahead and lift the car and take a look underneath. Caca. Shut up. Caca.
A little crusty.
Just a little bit.
The parking brake cable, this one's been replaced.
This one's been repaired.
You got a new strut assembly, the whole thing. You got a new hub, and you got a new axle from what I can see. Yeah, look at the top hat. Top hat is new too. That's old.
Somebody probably hit something on that front right though for the hub to be replaced.
When I reviewed the Carfax prior to purchasing the car, it had it been in a minor accident, the location of the damage being up front. So that probably explains that. I mean, other than that, everything else on the Carfax is pretty positive. Routinely maintained at a BMW dealership with no major repairs being done.
I will tell you this, I'll pull this out and see if we have an oil pan leak and see if there's anything leaking from the motor, because from the top of the engine bay, you don't see any leaks, which is A+.
Cue the montage.
Yeah, of me just removing 20,000 8mm bolts. Just got sprayed by something. AC. Oil residue, but that could be old, you know? It could
literally just be from oil changes too.
Yeah.
It could have just been old, or maybe it was an invitation to a bigger current issue.
Oh, it's very nasty in there.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh.
Is that a rear main leak, dude? Oh no. I don't know how well it's coming across on camera, but this whole area is...
It's just, yeah.
Sludge. Really hope that's not the timing cover that's leaking. That'd be really cool if it was just a rear main, but that still sucks.
5 days, 250-mile warranty.
Hey, yo, Auto Nation, what's up?
Bro, what's good with this? You're at the Master Tech Ali here. Message him on Swap Depot at Swap Depot on Instagram. He'd love to work on your turds and modify it for you. What does that look like? Is that oil pan or is that rear main seal?
I don't want to say it.
Rear main seal.
I don't want to say it. But it could also be oil from the oil filter. Because it does sit kind of up there, so it could travel down here. I don't think it's a major leak. It's a minor leak, so we're gonna just disregard this. It never happened.
Do I not tell Auto Nation?
No.
You see, I told you, even if there's an issue with the car, we're gonna probably end up fixing it here anyways. Because it's too much of a hassle to take it there, then wait for the turnaround time, and then, you know, we can be making content for you guys.
All the Honda techs are gonna look at this and be like,
Yeah, and then they get one rusty bolt and then it's like,
yeah, I don't know what's going on here. What is this? We only work on front wheel drive cars.
Bro, you guys weren't playing when you said there's fucking spaghetti drive shafts over here.
This one you don't have to worry about. The skinniest point of the rear one might be a little bit bigger than this one, but
which we can't see because it's hidden above the heat shield. But anyways, those are the weak points on these X-Drive cars. The U-joint, I guess, is the problem factor for the front portion one. The rear one, they just kind of twist like a noodle, because we are planning to launch the shit out of this car. I actually launched it already 3 times in the first video, and that was fun. So what you think, bruh?
You got a turd.
Ah, it's not a turd. If you compare this to the F30 335 I had, or that I still have, this is night and day. Looks a lot better. All right, we're ready for the built motor.
All right, Elliot. We're all looking at you.
Whoever's watching this, if you're a company that builds motor, reputable company, by the way, I'm just gonna let you know right up front, since it's gonna be a while till we get to that point. If you want to sponsor a build motor on this car that's gonna hit 9s a quarter mile, let me know.
Hey man, he's gonna build the N54. The B58 is just the next logical step.
Oh yeah, that's right. I guess for you guys who are new to the channel, just tuning in for the F30 content, the 335e9, the N54 is also getting a built motor. But that one is manual versus auto, and that one's rear wheel drive versus X-Drive. By the way, he has a 340i as well, rear wheel drive, same spec.
I got an exhaust.
Oh, he just put on the exhaust. Actually, his video might be live, definitely gonna be live by the time you guys see this one. Make sure to check out his channel, it's Swap Depot. Pricey build versus peasant build.
Bro, should we race? It's not fair anymore because you have a downpipe. We should have raced X-Drive versus rear wheel drive.
I'll still beat him right now. 2017 got 500 horsepower.
Comfort.
Don't let him change his wheel speed sensor and you're good.
Oh, by the way, this car is also getting, no, it's not.
Build motor, 800 horsepower, 9s in the quarter mile. Oh, wait.
It's just a measly S52 NA.
It's built.
It's a
mild
coming to theaters near you.
2028.
All right, I think we're done here for the inspection. Should we look at the engine bay one more time to make sure I didn't miss anything?
Yes. Hey, yo!
Hey! I got the goosebumps right away.
That man is crustified. It looks like he rusted.
Nope, North Salt is too harsh. So other than that massive leak we seen down there.
Minor leak, actually. Minor leak.
Oh God.
Ew.
Sawdust you get from New Jersey here.
Brother.
Let me put the light over here.
Ew. It's been approximately 50,000 miles since the spark plugs have been changed.
Yeah, BMW Elder coils. At least you can put gas in your car, because I can't. Surprise, I think that this cowl cover has been at least swapped one time, because they're normally super crusty and these are looking very ashy a lot of the time. So this has been addressed at one point, definitely.
Has it though?
It's starting to fail again.
It's alright, it should be good for now.
For the most part, the car is pretty clean, honestly. Sapphire metallic paint is pretty good. Headlights are good, like I said in the first video. Engine bay seems healthy for the most part. I've actually been flooring the hell out of this car since I got it a few days ago. And no like drivetrain malfunction or anything like that. So let's go to hook up the scanner and see if we can pull up any codes. Shameless plug here. If you guys ever watched any of my previous videos, you would know that we always use the same top-down scan tool. Not a lot of you guys know we are a dealer for their products. So this is a little bit higher end. This is the Elite. Costs a pretty penny, but it has a lot of capability when it comes to like coding certain things out, customizing everything like digitally within the car, obviously scanning, adaptations, resetting procedures, stuff like that. So it has a ton of features, but if you guys are more on a budget, we got the little small handheld devices or even like the mobile setups as well. Top Down offers a bunch of stuff and we really love their products. So I'll leave a link down in the video's description with this specific unit. If you can fork over the extra change and you're really serious about working on BMWs, this is essentially dealer grade scan tool right here. So highly recommend it. We already got it plugged on. We're gonna go ahead and auto scan.
That's my favorite thing about the scan tool actually is how fast it is.
It's very fast, yeah. Spark scan, let's see. Green. Oh God. The idea here is get as much green as possible, guys.
Not bad.
I scored it 80% on its test. Under voltage, internal voltage supplied, alarm has been activated, anti-theft. Not anything we're worried about. Emergency call, who cares? AC signal from passenger compartment climate, not sure. Probably just got to clear codes because the AC works fine here. CAS module, welcome light, repeat lock active. Again, not super important. We're really looking for like major maintenance issues. So we'll go ahead and clear DTCs. and then I'll rescan it to see if anything remains active.
And just like that, that's how you fix your car.
That's how you fix it. Clear codes. All right, we're done here. Car's pretty healthy. What I'm super surprised too is the wheels are in good shape. There's not a single curb rash on any of them. Check it out. Pirelli cilantros on all four corners. What is good? Brand new. Yeah, non-M Sport brakes, I know. We're gonna address that as well. Very good looking wheels and tires as far as, you know, like they haven't been beat up over the years. All right, so the last thing we'll do before we end the video, we'll do a fresh oil change because I'm not sure when the last time that was done to this car. Change the cabin air filter because it smells like damn piss inside of the car. And inspect the oil filter and see if we can find anything. Oh, that engine oil is nice and hot. To be honest with you guys, I think they just changed the oil at the dealership, guys. But, you know, it's one of those things that I like to do when I buy a used car. Make sure that you do it the right way with the quality of oil that you want to use, which in our case is liquid moly. And then, you know you did it right. And now you can go ahead and reset the intervals to whatever you like, which for me is normally 3,000 to 5,000 miles. All is drained. Now we got to get to the oil filter, which is conveniently located in this section. Not as bad as the S58 where you have to kind of remove one of the expansion tanks.
We just have to remove the engine on this one and then get to it.
We can get to that one. Because the B58 one is more accessible than the S58 and the M2, M3s, whatever. Another thing is that the filter for the B58 doesn't have that weird nipple that you have to align blindly on the S58. So this should make things a little bit easier. Yeah, that's a new filter.
Should I put it back in?
There you go. That's how all the oil residue made it to the bottom.
Yeah, you do make a mess. So you kind of have to clean it up, but...
So it's not rear main seal, guys. It's this right here.
I mean, maybe it's a rear main seal, but we're going to address that one day.
Oh, that's way easier than the S58.
Not my X3M.
That's not like the M2s and M3s?
Nope. I got more room in there.
We have this boy right here, literally on top on the S58.
Yeah, I don't have that there. Mine is on the opposite side.
Pull the bonner. Ali doesn't like to use funnels. He has dead aim.
Do I?
The pressure is on. Oh, yeah, bonner already poured a f***ing gallon outside of the engine by now. Oil change complete. Hey. All right, guys, so the last thing we're gonna do is the cabin air filter. And wow, so excited. It's pretty common for these cars to smell like freaking pee when you have the AC on because you got a bad cabin filter. This one is carbon activated, and the location of the cabin air filter is right here underneath the glove box. You gotta remove this panel and it's like wedged in there. This doesn't cost that much and it allows your interior to smell a lot better.
I actually found out a day or so later that the cabin air filter, while it may help with some smell, is not the real reason the higher mileage F30s smell like crap in the cabin. Apparently it's a much deeper issue that has to do with the condenser coil that gets gunk built up over time. Maybe I will make a video in the future addressing the smell. I can't be the only one with this issue.
Oh my God! All right, I'm gonna pull out for this one. Giggity. Nobody's changed this filter since 2017, dog.
Oh yeah, it doesn't look terrible. I mean, it's
No. I was looking at the outside. That's what it was. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in off camera because you just have to wedge it in there like a banana and that's it. Yeah, so that's kind of the things I like to do when I first get a used BMW. Look it over, do some little small things to improve the driving experience. I normally always buy new wiper blades as well. Well, not the blades itself, but just the attachments here, but they seem to be in pretty good condition. I think we'll spice up the series for this car. Next video, we'll race somebody in its stock form and just compare it. I'm not gonna tell you what car that is, but subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out. Like the video if you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thanks for watching. Until next time.